ZheJiang YOULIAN Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of all kinds of packaging machinery and food machinery. Since its establishment in 2008, continuous improvement after years of efforts has gradually formed its own independent development, design, manufacturing, trade, and service as one of the modern enterprise. Main service: filling machine series, automatic and semi-automatic, paste, liquid, and sauce, filling machine. Capping machine series, filling and capping all in one machine, filling and gland and capping all in one machine, plastic capping machine, aluminum capping machine, nozzle capping machine, electric capping machine, pneumatic capping machine, labeling machine series, automatic and semi-automatic labeling machine, no dry sticker labeling machine, paste labeling machine, round bottle labeling machine, plain labeling machine, double-sided labeling machine, irregular labeling machine. Domestic, pharmaceutical, food, cosmetics, daily necessities, and other industries, also exported to Europe, America, Vietnam, Thailand, Pakistan, Japan, Africa, and other global countries and regions. Our company pays attention to product quality. The company has strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. At the same time, our company has established a quality management system, and the system complies with international standards. We believe that our company will win your recognition with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. Welcome to factory inspection, negotiation, and cooperation.